Today I'll show you how complete beginners can start making money on Pinterest using affiliate marketing. This method is simple and not often talked about, making it perfect for those new to the field. In this video I'll guide you step by step, showing you how anyone regardless of experience or skills can start using this strategy right away and begin earning with affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Let's dive straight into the video and get started. Before we begin, a quick warning and disclaimer. While the method I'm gonna show you is both effective and user-friendly, it's important to manage your expectations. This approach won't make you rich overnight. It just simply won't happen. However, it's a great starting point for those new to earning money online through affiliate marketing, especially on Pinterest. By following these steps carefully, you can start earning your first affiliate commissions. Just follow along and replicate each step to start your journey. We are now on Pinterest.com, a social network similar to Instagram or Facebook, where users share visual content. If you're new to Pinterest, it's a platform for discovering and sharing images and ideas. To begin, you need to sign up for a free account on Pinterest.com. Click the sign up button in the top right corner and follow the steps to create your account. Since I already have an account, I'll skip this part. This is my current account, but remember to select a business account rather than a personal one, as this will give you more analytics in the future. After setting up, we'll use trends.pinterest.com to find trending categories. On this site, you can discover the most searched and popular keywords. You can explore top monthly trends, you can explore top yearly trends, growing trends, even seasonal trends. You can search by interest, by keywords, by age, gender, or of course you can input your own keyword. For this keyword we are concentrating on dental care. It's a specific niche, so let's examine the graphs. What about the keyword? If I type in dental, it's not really... Okay, we can click on this first one, and actually it's not looking too bad. Of course, we can check out the related trends: dentist humor, dental assistant, dental hygiene school, dental hygienist. So of course we can use this keyword dental as our main focus, just to scan the surface and just feel the ground if this niche is a right fit for us. As you can see, it has a lot of traction throughout the whole year. Of course, in January through March, it has the most interest, but I'm telling you, this is looking good. Of course, we can narrow it down to 3 months, 6 months, but it doesn't really matter. We are looking at the past 1 year. We can scroll down a bit and we get the gender, of course, is mainly female, who is focused on this niche, the age, and of course popular pins, and these are important. You can check them out. You can click on this, for example, and just open up a new tab. You can see what others are posting and what affiliate links we got and things like that. Now let's head over to TikTok, because on TikTok you're going to find a viral videos that you're going to repost on Pinterest. Yes, that's exactly how you're going to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you what we are promoting in this video. Just keep on watching and you'll see. So as our niche is dental care, we can type in dental care, click enter, and just go through these videos and find the ones with the highest view count. Basically, you need to find a viral video including dental care. For example, this video, it has 2.5 million views. You can see the engagement breakdowns, shares, likes, comments. When the video has a lot of shares, it is a good sign. This video went viral, of course. It has 4%. This video has 2.9 million. You can scroll down. This one has 17 million. This has 7.5. Of course, we need to find something that catches the attention. For example, maybe this one, showing you how to clean your teeth. It's actually pretty interesting, to see if you're doing the good job with your dental care. So okay, let's use this video for example. So what you're going to do after you find your viral video on TikTok, we are going to download this to our computer. So how are we going to do that? So just copy the link of this video, open up a new tab, type in snaptic.app, paste the video's URL right here, and just click on download. and of course download once again. Close this ad, and that is going to download the video to your computer without any watermarks. Now return to Pinterest and upload this video as a new pin on your account. Regarding copyright concerns, we'll probably attribute the original creator of the TikTok video. As long as we give credit to the creators of those TikToks, reusing content generally doesn't pose a problem. Remember, acknowledging the original creator is crucial. I'll guide you on how to do this properly later on. Okay, our next step is to create that TikTok. You can click on create pin or create pin for ad. We're just going to go for organic. And now click on this and just upload your video just downloaded. Now for a title, we can copy it from this TikTok over here, paste it right here. Just for a little bit more SEO friendly title, I actually can include dental care in the beginning of this sentence and just leave it like this. For the description, we are going to use ChatGPT and ask it to create us a 200 to 300 symbol description for a Pinterest pin about dental care, including emojis. And just like that, with a click of a few buttons, we got our description. Just click on copy, go back to your Pinterest pin and paste it right here. Of course, we can also add some hashtags as dental, which is our main keyword. We can go back to our trends. We can copy some of those. We can, of course, just type in something else like dental and see what else is trending. And you can add as many hashtags as you want. I just leave it as is. And there comes the time that we need our link, an affiliate link through which we are going to make money from. This time I've already prepared something special. We'll be selling our own digital product. You are right, a digital product that you can create yourself for completely free. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is an ebook about taking care of your teeth. It has all the routines and tips on how to keep your mouth healthy. For example, this is the introduction part. This is chapter 1, understanding your oral health. All the points, daily oral care routine. One more, advanced oral care tips, professional dental care, special considerations, and conclusions. So it has 5 chapters, conclusion, introduction. But don't get me wrong, this exact ebook I created in like 10 minutes. It's not the highest quality possible. I was actually doing this one on my last video and showing you how to create your own ebook for free. So be sure to check it out if you're willing to do one yourself. But if not, I'll leave a link in the description where you can download a couple of my digital products. For example, these 2, dental care and keto diet, for completely free. You can modify them if needed and start promoting on Pinterest. And if you click on one of these folders, you also get a Gumroad listing cheat sheet. It has a title and a description all done for you. So you just need to copy and paste it. Okay, so what we are going to do with this ebook right now is go to Gumroad, and this is the site we are going to list our product. This is our listing, and what we are going to do is actually just copy the link from this listing. Just copy the link, go back to our Pinterest pin and just paste this link over here. And we can, of course, if you want to check it out where it leads, you can paste it right here. And it leads us to our digital product. This is the description I've told you. It's looking pretty good. Of course, I didn't add any banner. You need to add banner. I just didn't want to spend a lot of time. It's just an example. All right, guys, when you have your title, your description, and your hashtags, there's only one more important step, and that is to actually credit the original creators. So just get back to TikTok. Click on this profile, just copy the name of this profile, go back to your Pinterest pin, you can add some spaces, type in credit, add and paste that name over here. You can click on enter and that's it. So you just credited the original creator, and then all you need to do is just click on publish. Of course, you can choose a board, for example, dental care. This is the board, and I'll just click on publish. All right, there you have it, guys. This is the easiest way to reuse content from TikTok. upload it to Pinterest, and just create as many as you can every day to get traffic. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to follow these steps daily. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried affiliate marketing on Pinterest before, or is this your first time exploring this opportunity? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments down below. And if you're still wondering on how to build this digital product and upload it on Gumroad, just click on this video and I'll see you in the next one.